Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can insert and remove objects in generated videos here in Google Flow. To do so is really simple. Simply have an ingredient ready that you'd like to edit. So this is something that I generated earlier from this picture right here. So I'm going to go back to the video tab, and then I'm simply going to click on the video. So this is going to bring up another text prompt that you can see here at the bottom, along with a few options being extend, insert, remove, and camera. So these are other ways you can really fine-tune your videos. And let's say I want to add an aeroplane flying in the sky. I'm going to click on insert. I'm going to drag a box here where I'd like to see the object. Then I'm going to add a text prompt to describe what I want to be added. So what I'm going to do is, so there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and click on send, and I'm going to give this a few minutes to generate. So we're back, and this is what Google Video generated for us. As you can see, the plane is a lot larger than I intended it to be, which is why I wanted it to be subtle and small, but it didn't seem to get that part right. It's no problem though, because I can always try generating this again. But in theory, that's how you would want to add objects to your scenes in Google Flow. So that's it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.